Hey everybody, as of today I'm shooting this video. It's only been like 2 days since I uploaded the video of the drywall dust filled computer that I cleaned out. And I said that computer was the filthiest computer I've ever cleaned. Perhaps maybe I spoke a little too soon. That computer dust wise was the filthiest. But we have something here that is even worse than that other machine. And matter of fact, it's still in for service right now. But this computer has a mixture of cigarette smoke dust and something even worse. Now, anyways, before I move on to that, I'll show you what cigarette smoke dust looks like. And maybe this will kind of send a message to those who regularly smoke cigarettes. Now, anyways, if you want to see what regular dust looks like, feel free to watch some of my other clean out videos. And you'll notice that the dust in those machines has a light texture to it. It is light colored. And when you hit it with the compressor, it's usually comes out in lumps of dust. Sometimes it comes out in powder, like that drywall dust machine. But this computer here, you'll notice the dust is dark. Very dark. And tends to stick to everything. Example would be this exhaust fan. Have a look at that. That's the exhaust fan. There's the CPU cooler. Look at that fan. You can barely see, but there is a coating of dust inside this cooler. And basically the CPU core can barely even breathe. There's a look at the power supply intake vent. You can see the dust coating to the edges of the vent. You can see this dust here. Now, when I sold this computer, it was perfectly clean, immaculate. You can see some dust on the exhaust fan grill. There's the power supply fan. Let's have a look at this. And you're thinking the cigarette smoke dust is bad enough. Yes, I've worked with that before. But there's something even worse in this machine here. Now, I have to say, this is awful. But this computer is filled with mouse turds. Look at that. Look at the bottom of the case. It is slap full of mouse turds. Now, I don't remember for sure how the expansion slots were, whether they are missing these covers or not. They likely were not missing covers because I have plenty of covers. But who knows? Maybe it was. Maybe I did that so the computer could breathe better. But it comes to show just how tight of, spaces a mouse can squeeze through to get inside the computer. Just have a look at this. If there's been mice in this computer, it's a wonder the wires haven't been chewed up. I don't see any chewed wires in here, but this is awful. Absolutely awful. Now, with this computer, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have to completely disassemble it. Not only that, not only clean it out with the air compressor to get rid of the cigarette smoke dust, but I'm going to have to completely disassemble this thing. Get everything out of this case. Optical drives, hard drive, floppy drive, card reader if there's any, which I don't think there's a card reader in this one. Power supply, USB ports, everything electronics got to get out of here. Because I'm going to wash this case down with grease lightning to get rid of the mouse turds. This case will be out in the backyard with a hose being sprayed to it, because this has got to go. I have never seen a computer so filthy in my life. Now I seen a photo on, I think, Google Images or somewhere, of a mouse actually living inside somebody's computer. There's a possibility there's been a mouse living in this one. I don't see a nest, but I do see a bunch of mouse herds. So anyways, this is what I'm going to be looking forward to later this week when I get to this computer. Yes, I got to completely tear it down, and I've got to clean it out with grease lightning. The case anyway, not the components, but the case. So anyways, thanks for watching.